Hello, 2 Timothy, we are in grade 8, so we continue with our chapter in Algebra about polynomials. So now you have to learn how you can factorize algebraic expressions or polynomials that you can have. So we start here to define what is to factorize an algebraic expression. It means you need to write it as a product of factors. Okay? So you have an example here that I've given 3 questions. The first, you have to factorize 2x plus 4. It means you need to find the factors of the terms or expressions that you have. Okay? So if I can take the first. So if you have 2x, it means 2x is 2 times x, right? And here 4 means 2 times 2. So what are the common factors? The common factors are 2 and 2. So I can take 2. Then the parts that remain, you have here x. And over there you have 2. So you see that I write as a product of factors. This is the first factor and here the second factor. So you write as a product. Is it clear? Thank you. Now you can also have 2 or more variables. Like number 2 here, you have a as the first variable and b as the second variable. But you also have numbers. It's very easy. What you need to do, you can take the first. If you need to write this as a product, how can you write it as a factor? You can write like this. 12 equals 3 times 4, right? And a squared is a times a times b, right? If I take the second is 15, means you have 3 times 5 times a, and here b times b. Now we need to collect the common factors for the first and the second, right? So how can I write this? If I want to factor this, my answer will be the common factor here. I have for the first I have a 3. And I see 3 and 3, I take 3. A and A, the common factor, I take A. B, you can underline them if you take. B and B, I take B and B. So 3AB. Now then you can write the remaining part, okay? The remaining part will be here for the first, you have 4, thank you, 4A, which remains this. The second part, here we have taken 3 and B, and we have also taken A, right? So the remaining part is 5 and B. So I've written this expression as a factor. Now the last one. This one, if you want to factor, you have to use the property that we learned during those algebraic identities. So here, if you remember, we say that if you have, remember, we say this, x squared minus a squared equals a plus b and a minus b. So you have to use the properties. So I can write like this, x squared minus 4 squared. X a 4b. So if I want to factor, I will write x plus 4 and x minus 4. Very easy to factorize algebraic expressions. So these are some exercises that you'll be working on. And if you need more and more exercise, you will find them on our platform. Don't forget, during this period of coronavirus, if you want to sneeze or cough, use your help, or if you want to go out, please wear your mask or your glove. Don't forget to protect yourself. We love you so much. Spring of Life Christian School. May God bless you. Goodbye.